have to go to the next step, which is to top up. That you'll be able to use FlickBoost whatever account you want to use. So that you just go to the three top at the top left, at the top right, with add funds. Now adding funds, there are many options. So there are options for different countries: Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Rwanda, Uganda, and Cameroon. If your country is not there, kindly use the WhatsApp and email button below to contact the administrator. You contact me using those emails there. You contact me using this tool either by WhatsApp or by email if your country is not listed. Okay, since we are in Cameroon now, we tap on the mobile or Orange Money. After that, now you have to fill in the amount, and know that the minimum amount to deposit is $3, which is 2,200 francs. So for other currencies, you have to convert respectively. And now you enter your name, the name you used to create your account with. If you don't put the exact name, your funds might get lost. So endeavor to use the name you used to create your account. Then on the add node, you put top up. Once that is done, you input your number on the next page and choose a method to validate, either by WhatsApp or by text message. Now you'll be redirected to a page where you have to make a transaction. And once you confirm a transaction, your funds will be added in less than 5 minutes. In less than no time. Usually it does not take time, but maximum is 5 minutes and your funds will be there. If you have any problem with your funds, you have to contact the admin using your ticket, which I will show you later. So now the funds have already been added.